Hi, AIM class. So, we're at home, but yes, we've got to do AIM so that we can get some attendance and get credit. This is going to be your daily grade. So when you come into your Google Classroom, I'll have an announcement here. You're going to click on classwork. You'll have this February 15th assignment. It'll be a Google form. This video is going to be embedded in that form, obviously. You're going to want to come up here, take a look at your 8th grade calendar for this week. And I want you to look and see what you've got going on. You've got all your English listed. It doesn't look like this is updated because I think I remember Holocaust Museum tour you actually did last week, but the teacher should have that updated coming up. I know science is updated, and I know that you guys have a web quest to do and to make sure your INB notes are done for this week by Monday for B Day. 8A tomorrow, you guys have already, if you're an 8A science student, you've already done some plates on the move, and there's a worksheet with that. So you've got a couple of things that I know you can do there. Also, your math classes, I know you always have Get More Math, and you have some, looks like test reviews coming up. Also, video notes on Edpuzzle. So that's a given. So then what I'm going to want you to do is you're going to head on over, and your assignment here that you're going to have a Google form that you're going to open and you're going to fill out. And then you're going to turn it in. I'm going to make sure that I have your name and date. You just have 2 questions. They're each worth 50 points. And then once you submit that, you're done, and you're going to tell me what you're going to work on for this time frame. Basically, you're going to either choose one homework or one missing assignment from a class that you're going to work on for AIM time. So hope you guys are staying warm and safe, and we'll see you back in class real soon. Bye.